Hello everyone and welcome to GigaBits. In this video, we're comparing Base 44 and Replit, two AI-powered platforms for building applications. Base 44 is an AI app builder that allows users, even those without much technical knowledge, to describe what they want in natural language, and it generates a ready-to-deploy front-end app automatically. It offers built-in features like user authentication, integrated databases, automatic hosting, payment integrations, and API generation from prompts, making it an all-in-one solution for quickly building MVPs or internal tools. Pricing starts around $20 and goes up to $200 per month, depending on the included features. Meanwhile, Replit is a cloud-based collaborative coding environment with AI-assisted code generation, suggestions, app deployment, and a built-in browser IDE. It also supports fast hosting and has a large, active community. By 2025, Replit has evolved into a powerful platform for AI-assisted coding, though some users still report reliability issues. So, which one should you choose? Go with Base 44 if you're not a developer or you want to launch something fast without writing much code, ideal for prototypes or lightweight apps. Choose Replit if you have coding experience or want deeper customization, control over your infrastructure, and support for multiple languages and frameworks.